Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to do another series, same topic, different technique. So, I did not do this. So, alright, you are going to hear this regex, regular expression, regex, all kinds of things. But alright, we're going to go slow, we're going to get through this together, and we are going to get it. So alright, regular expressions. There is a ton to unpack here. We are going to do this one at a time, and there's going to be a lot of terminology here, a lot of methods, and this can get complicated very quickly. So we are going to go really slow. So okay, last video series I did a logical way of going through, but that could be overwhelming. So now I'm going to show you a different technique, but it can be overwhelming in its own right. So if you didn't see last series, pause this here, type this up, and this should be our outcome because it is right here. So what we are doing, and we'll just kind of start over if you did not watch last series, we are going to find the longest substring in a string that is in alphabetical order. So at first glance, ABC would be the largest, and also any repeating, because that's what we're going to get to with this. That catches anything repeating. So alright, so if we got to A, we'd start over because A is lower down in alphabetical order. Then this would be the next one. Then it would reset because it went to A. Then this would be testing, but this would not become our longest because B. But then once we got here, this is it. So alright, in regular expression, let's run this and store this. So just so you can see how much stuff is in regular expression, it has all kinds of methods. We're going to be using find all and compile. So that's what we're going to do, and they build on each other. They build on each other and go from one step to the next. So okay, like I said, we're going to go very slow, but just so you can see how much documentation there is. This is how much information is in this. And let's see, is a perfect time to talk about it. Greedy, right here. Greedy. Repetitions. That's why we're going to do the star. Repetition to the preceding regular expression. That's what this asterisk does. It grabs repeating. So greedy is the term for this. So you have greedy and then non-greedy. So okay, so now that being said, so we're just going to do letters, because this can get nutso really quickly. So alright, let's get started. So this is going to be our string, and this is our pattern. So alright, let's get into it. Pat for pattern, and then we call our regular expression. And actually, before we get to that, let's look at this. Oh shoot, sorry. Help re dot compile. So okay, pattern, that's why we're going to put in the pattern, and this is what we're looking for. We're looking for an increase with all repeating ascending, any repeating. So basically the way you could say this is infinite A's, as long as then B's next, then infinite B's, and as long as C's next. That's what we're looking for. That's what our goal is, to find that right there. So, okay. So let's go back to our pattern. Compile. Then we put in our pattern, ABC. Okay, now this is where it gets a little weird. So now we want to find all of them, right? But we want the longest. So this is, and we're gonna, in our key then is going to be the length. So let's look at this real. Okay, so max and iterable, which is a pattern, and then, oh, look at this, key function, and we want the longest length. So here we go. So, oops, max, and we do pattern. Then this has a method, and I went a little too quickly. This method, this is a method inside re, and then that has its own method. That's the part that always threw me off for a while. So find all, then we put in what we're going to test, which is our x, and we close this out, and then we saw that our key, and we want the function length. Then we print this, and we run it, and lo and behold, here we go. And we did this last time, so we know this works. So I know this can be very overwhelming, but this is how simple regex, regular expressions, can be. That you have your pattern, and this can come in very handy for searching for web addresses, email addresses. So we're going to do these little bits at a time. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell. And please leave any comments, questions, or video requests below, and I will get right to them. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.